Hey folks, so I'm back with my week 3 task, which was the forecasting and Monte Carlo simulation. Taking the case of the eastern regions, first thing that we have done is use the forecasting model present in Excel to see what is my forecast for the next year. It is giving me a forecast of 240k, which is a 15% increase over the last year's value, but we have a target to achieve 25%, which would be approximately around 265k. So that is a deficit of 25k that we need to improve. So last week I had selected the phones in the eastern regions to promote so that we can achieve the target. Similar kind of forecasting analysis has been done on a monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis, and on an average, it is showing that we are confident there is going to be a 39 or 38k return in the new year, which is approximately 13% more than the last year. Using the Monte Carlo simulation and having the 64k as the target, it has given me a 15% chance of reaching my target. In order to fulfill my actual target of 265k, the modified prediction is now going to be 42% more sales than the normal quantity that we do in order to achieve our target.